But see, I want to little idiot sound boy.